If you're a business owner, freelancer or a POS agent in Nigeria, you need a tax identification number, also known as a TIN. In this video, I'll show you how to get your FIRS TIN step by step, completely online. A TIN is a unique number issued by the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS. You need it to open corporate bank accounts, register your business with CAC, pay taxes, and work with government or private organizations. The good news? Getting a TIN is free. To start, open your browser and go to the Federal Inland Revenue TIN portal. This is the official platform used by FIRS for TIN registration. Next, choose the category that applies to you. Select individual if you're a salary earner, freelancer, or sole trader. Select corporate if you registered a business or company with CAC. Carefully fill in your details. For individuals, you'll need your full name, phone number, email address, national identification number, NIN. For businesses, you'll need business name, CAC registration number, business address, contact details. Make sure all information is correct before submitting. Once you submit the form, your application will be processed. In many cases, your TIN is sent to your email or phone number within a few days. If needed, FIRS may ask you to visit the nearest tax office for verification. Remember, FIRS TIN is 100% free. You can only have one TIN for life. Be careful of agents asking you to pay for TIN registration. And that's how to get your FIRS TIN in Nigeria, step by step. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more money, fintech, and business guides, and share with someone who needs this information. Thanks for watching.